Hi students, welcome to my channel Doctor's Physics, and in this video I am going to discuss the topics logarithms and differentiation. Okay, first of all we will see what is logarithms. A power x is equal to n. I can convert this one into logarithms as log n base a is equal to x. Log n base a is equal to x. We'll see some example. 2 power 3 is equal to how much? 8. I can convert this one into logarithms as log 8 base 2 is equal to 3. One more example. 10 power 3 is equal to 1000. How can I write? Log 1000 base 10 is equal to 3. And we will take one more example. 10 power 1 is equal to 10. Everyone knows this. Now say me. Log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. What is this? Log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. That means whenever the value on the base is same, then the answer is 1. Please remember this. This is very important. That means log a base a is always equal to 1. A may be any value. And condition is there. This n must be a positive value. It may be any value. It must be positive, always positive. And this a must be always greater than 1. N must be a positive value and this a base must be always greater than 1. Please remember that. And log a base a is always equal to 1. A may be any value, 2, 3, 4, any value. Log 1000 base 1000 is equal to 1. That's all. I think this is clear. Now we will see few formulas in logarithms. Log m. They didn't mention anything base. Whenever there is no base, we have to assume the base is 10. Usually in questions they won't mention 10. If they didn't mention 10, we have to assume base as 10. Okay. Now we will see. Log m into n. Log m into n base a. Now this is nothing but equal to log m base a multiplication, right? So it will become plus log n base a. There is nothing but log a 20. Assume like this, which I can write as log a 2 into 10. There is nothing but I can write as log a 2 plus log a 10. If they didn't mention a, simply they mention like this, log 30. Log 30 means base 10 is there. Therefore, 30 I can write as 3 into 10. Therefore, what I will get? Log 3 plus log 10. Base is 10. What is the value? Log 3 base 10 plus log value and base value both are same. Therefore, what is that one? Log 10 base a and base 10 is always equal to 1. Okay, I think this is clear how to find how to use the formula m into n. Now one more thing you have to remember. These values, please remember. Log 2 base 10. The value is 0.3010. And log 3 base 10 is equal to 0.4771. And log 5 base 10 is equal to 0.6989. Please remember these values. At least these two you should remember. 0.3010, 0.4771. Now what is the value of this? Same. Log 3 base 10 is how much? 0.4771 plus 1. That is nothing but 1.4771 is the answer for log 30. Is it clear? Okay, now we will see one more formula. Please remember this. log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. One more formula, log m by n. Previously we seen multiplication, now we have seen division. Log, I can write this one as log m minus log n. Log m minus log n. Now we will see one more thing, like log 5 by 3. What is log 5 by 3? Nothing, base is not there. Base is not there means nothing but 10. Log 5 base 10 minus log 3 base 10. What is log 5 value? Just now I told. What is that? 0.6989 minus 0. Log 3 value is how much? 0.4771. Now find the value. I think this is clear how to use this formula. Log m by n. When nothing base is not there, then you should assume it as 10. Okay, now we'll see one more formula. Log m power n. Log m power n. This one I can write as n into log m. Log m power n is equal to n into log m. Now see what is the meaning of that. Log 10 cube. Okay, log 1000. What is log 1000? Log 1000 is nothing but log 10 power 3. Log 1000 means 10 power 3 base 10. Now m power n. M power n. What is the formula? N into log m. There is nothing but 3 into log 10 base 10. What is the value? Log 10 base 10 means nothing but 1. Therefore answer is 3. Now we will see one more example. Log 16 base 2. Log 16 base 2. I can write this one as how much? 16 means how much? 2 power 4 base 2. M power n. Therefore n comes from that multiplication becomes the multiplication factor, that is 4 into log 2 base 2. There is nothing but log 2 base 2 is nothing but 1. Therefore 4 is answer. Now we will see one more thing. Log root 2. Now see me, what is the value of this? Log root 2. How much? I can write this one as log root 2 base 10. Log root 2 means 2 power 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2 means nothing but root. If I power 1 by 3 means cube root. 2 power 1 by 2 base 10. Power will become the multiplication. Therefore there is 1 by 2 into log 10 base 2. What is the value? 1 by 2 into, what is the log value? Log 2 value 0.3010. Use this, you will get the answer. I think this is clear. Log m power n. When nothing is given, take base as 10. And when the values of bases are given, take that values. Next formula. This is important formula, please remember this. Log b base a log b base a by log c base a. Observe carefully. Log b base a by log c base a, which is equal to log b. What is here? C is there. Therefore, this c will come as a base. Is it clear? Log b base a by log c base a is equal to log b by c. Now see this. Log 2 by log 3. What is the answer? Log 2 by log 3. What is the answer? Log. See here, nothing is there here. Base is 10. Now log a base 10, log b base 10. What is this? Log 2 base 3. This is the answer. I think this is clear. Now we will see one more example for your clarity. Log 1000 by log 10. Now say me, what is the answer? No, we will take 100. Now what is the answer? I can do this one in two ways. 1000 means nothing but 10 power 3. Log 10 power 3 by log 10 power 2. There is nothing but 3 into log 10 by 2 into log 10. The power will become front. What is the answer? 3 by 2 is the answer. Or I can do another method. What I can do? This one I can, by using this formula, I can write as log 1000 to the base 100. I can write like this. But this is easier than this. Sometimes we have to use this. Is it clear? Okay, now we'll see one more thing. Now what is the value of this? Log 1 base 10. What is the value of that? If the value is here 1, then the answer is 0. See here, 10 power 0 is equal to how much? 1. Now convert into logarithm. Log 1 base 10 is equal to 0. The same thing. Anything, not only 10, anything. Log 1 base a is equal to 0. Base may be anything, but if the value is 1, then the answer is 0. Please remember that. Log 1 base 2. Even here also value 1, therefore answer is 0. 2 power 0 is equal to 1. That's all. Now last one, ln. This is important. What is ln? Whenever the log is having base e, that means log x base e, log x base e, this one will be representing by ln x. E means exponential. It is some constant. The value of this e value is 2.718. This is a value, that's all. 2.718 is the value. Whenever log x base 2.718, that means e, then the value is, we will call it as ln e. Ln is different from log. Ln e. Whenever log is having base e, then it will become ln. Is it clear? Now this one, how can I write? Ln x. Ln x I can write as log x base e. Now how can I write this? I can write this one as log x by log e base 10, here base 10. Can I write like this? Just before I told this formula. Log b base a by log c base a. This is nothing but log b base c. The same thing I did here. Log b base c is nothing but log x base 10 by log e base 10. Log x base 10 by e value is how much? 2.718. When I find the logarithm value for this, I will get 0.4343. That means we can simply write as, remember this, ln x is equal to log x base 10 by 0.4343. From this, what we can write? Log x is equal to 0.4343 ln x. This is a relation between both ln and log. Is it clear? Or sometimes sometimes we can write as 1 by 0.4343 is nothing but 2.303. Therefore, what is it? Ln x is equal to 2.303 log x. These both relations you have to remember. Understand carefully. Whenever the base is e is nothing but exponential. It is having some particular value, that is 2.1718. Whenever the base is this value, then we will call the log as ln. Therefore ln x is equal to log x base e. Now what is that? I can write by using this formula. I can write as log x base 10 by log e base 10. Now these having some value. Instead of e, I can write as 2.718. Understood? This value, if I find this value, I will get as 0.4343. 1 by 0.4343 is nothing but 2.303. Therefore ln x is equal to 2.303 log 2. This is one relation and this is one more relation. Please remember these two. Relation between log and ln. This is very important. Log 2. What is the value of log 2? The value of log 2 is 0.3010. What is the value of ln 2? The value of ln 2 is not 0.3010. It is different. What is that? Ln 2 is equal to 2.303 log 2. This is the value. This is 2.303 into 0.3010 is the answer. That is the difference between log and ln. Please remember, please understand that. Okay. I think logarithms is clear. Now we will find differentiation. We will study about differentiation. Now the basic formula for differentiation is, so what is differentiation? Differentiation means nothing but breaking down into smaller parts. Now if we take difference, x2 minus x1. This x2 minus x1, like x2 is one value and x1 is one value. When I find a difference, when the difference is very very small, then I can take it as dx. That means when the differences are very small, I can take it as dx. I am breaking down into small parts. Same way, y2 minus y1 is equal to what you can write? We can write as dy. Dy means difference in the value, but it is very small, negligible. Now we will see. Okay, now see here. Assume a rod of length L, and now what they told, now I am assuming a small, very very small part. Now I can name it as a dx. Dx means a small part. Here one more dx, a small part. Here one more dx, a small dx. Differentiation means breaking down them into small parts, dx, dx, dx. When I combine all these dx, then I will get a rod of length L. Okay, now we will see the formulas. What is the differentiation formula? Basic formula, x power n. Differentiation of x power n with respect to x, with a differentiation of x power n with respect to x. What is it? What is the formula? N into x power n minus 1. Remember this formula. Differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Differentiation of x square. What is the differentiation of x square? Use this formula. How much? 2 into x power 2 minus 1, that is 2x. What is the differentiation of x power 3 by 2? The differentiation of x power 3 by 2 is how much? 3 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 minus 1. How much? 3 by 2, x power 3 by 2 minus 1 means 1 by, there is nothing but 3 by 2 root x. One more example. Differentiation of x power 7 by 8. What is the value? Same. N x power n is n x power n minus 1. 7 by 8 x power 7 by 8 minus 1. What is this? 7 by 8 x power 7 by 8 is minus 1 by 8. This is the answer. Basic formula. This is very important formula. Please remember that. Next one. What is the first formula? Differentiation of x power n is n x power n minus 1. Remember that. Now next one, differentiation of sin x. Differentiation of sin x is how much? Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Please remember these formulas, no other option. There's the differentiation of sin x is cos s. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. This sin minus plays a major role. This the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Next, differentiation of tan x. What is the differentiation of tan x? The differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Differentiation of cot x, cosecant square x minus cosecant square x. Minus will come. Be careful. Next, differentiation of secant x. The differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. Differentiation of cosecant x. The differentiation of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. Please remember them. Differentiation of sin x is cos x is minus sin x, tan x is secant square x, cot x is minus cosecant square x, secant x is secant x into tan x, cosecant x is minus cosecant into cot x. Minus plays a major role. Please remember this minus. In 3 places minus will come. I think this is clear. Now differentiation of UV. What is the meaning of differentiation of UV? Differentiation of UV is nothing but usually differentiation of U will represent as U dash. U dash means differentiation of U. The formula for differentiation of UV is U V dash plus V U dash. That means one time I will keep the U as constant and I will do the differentiation for V, plus I will keep the V as constant and I will do the differentiation for U. You will see some example. Differentiation of x into sin x. What is the differentiation of x into sin x? X is one term U and sin x is another term V. Now what is this? First I will keep x as common, x as constant, x, I won't differentiate it. X, what is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x. Plus I will keep sin x constant, then I will do the differentiation for x. What is the differentiation of x? Differentiation of x is how much? X, differentiation of x is x power 1. 1 into x power 1 minus 1 is nothing but 1 power 1 is minus 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 into x power 0 is 1. For differentiation of x is 1. Therefore how much? Into 1. Therefore this is the answer. I think UV rule is clear. U V dash plus V U dash. Now we will take one more example. Differentiation of sin x cos x. Sin x is U, cos x is V. Now what is the formula? U V dash. That means U is constant, it won't change. Sin x, what is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x. Plus keep V constant now. That means cos x constant. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Therefore what is the answer? Cos square x minus sin square x is the answer. That's all. Is it clear? Okay. Now, few more things you have to remember. Differentiation of a constant is always equal to 0. That means what is the differentiation of 2? Differentiation of 2 is 0. What is the differentiation of 10? Differentiation of 10 is 0. If the whatever be the constant, if I am doing the differentiation, the value is constant. Okay, please remember this. Now say me, differentiation of what is the differentiation of 2x? The differentiation of 2x is how much? Always the constants will come out. we can bring it them out. 2 into dx. What's the differentiation of x1? The answer is, what's the differentiation of 3x square? The differentiation of 3x square is, 3 is a constant, we can bring it out. 3 into differentiation of x square. What is 3 into differentiation of x square is, x square differentiation is 2 into x power 2 minus 1, that is 2x. That is 2x, that is nothing but 6x. Now what's the differentiation of 9x cube? 9 is constant, it will come out. 9 into x cube. What is the differentiation of x cube? The differentiation of x cube is 3 into x power 3 minus 1. That is nothing but 3x square. Therefore 3x square. There is nothing but 9 3s are 27. X square is the answer. I think this is clear. We can bring out the constants out, and differentiation of constant is 0. Now we will see this one. 9 by 5 x power 5. What is the answer for this? Differentiation of 9 by 5 x power 5. What is the answer? 9 by 5 is a constant, so I can bring it out. 9 by 5. What's the differentiation of x power 5? What's the differentiation? 5 into x power 4, 5 minus 1. That's nothing but 5 x power 4. 9 by 5 into 5 x power 4. The answer is 9 x power 4 is the answer. Now one more example. Differentiation of 5 sin x. What is the differentiation of 5 sin x? 5 is a constant, you can bring it out. 5 into what is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x. Therefore differentiation of 5 sin x is 5 cos x. I think this is clear. Now what is the differentiation of this? 1 plus x square. What is the differentiation of this? Each one I can do separately. Plus is there, right? Therefore I can do differentiation separate. That means differentiation of 1 plus the differentiation of x plus the differentiation of x square. What is the answer? Differentiation of constant is 0 plus the differentiation of x is 1 plus the differentiation of x square is how much? Differentiation of x square 2x. The answer is 1 plus 2x. I will see a few more. No, differentiation of ln x. What's the differentiation of ln x? Differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. Remember that. Differentiation of ln x is 1 by x, not log x. Differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. Now what's the differentiation of a power x? Differentiation of a power x is a power x ln e. Remember the formula, this is very important formula. Differentiation of a power x is a power x ln e. Now what is the differentiation of e power x? Same, e power x ln e, where a and e are constants, some values 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, and 2 values how much? 2.718. Now ln means e power x, ln means log e, whenever the ln is nothing but base e. Ln e base e is nothing but 1. Therefore answer is e power x. Therefore differentiation of e power x is e power x. That's all. Differentiation of a power x is a power x ln e. Please remember that. Now last formula, important formula, differentiation of u by v. Differentiation of u by v. What's the differentiation of u by v? Remember the formula. U by v. V u dash minus u v dash by v square. V u dash means differentiation of u, minus u v dash means differentiation of v by v square. Now how to use this formulas here? Differentiation of sin x by x. Sin x is u, x is v. Now I am using this formula. V u dash. That means x u dash. U dash is u is nothing but sin x. Sin differentiation of sin x is cos x. Minus u v dash. U means sin x. It will be same. V dash. V means x. Now what is the differentiation of x? 1 by v square. That means x square. If answer is x cos x minus sin x by x square. That is the formula. Differentiation of u by v is v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Let's see one more example. Differentiation of tan x by ln x. What is the differentiation of tan x by ln x? U is tan x, v is ln x. U v dash minus v u dash by v square. Now u is how much? U is tan x, v is ln x. U dash is, what is the differentiation of tan x? Secant square x. What is the differentiation of v dash? Ln x. What is the differentiation of ln x? The differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. Now keep these values here. What you will get? Tan x by x minus ln x secant square x by v square, that is ln x whole square. That is answer. I think this is clear. Okay, fine. One more formula is there. Differentiation of f of x, f of g of x. Now what is the meaning of this? What is the differentiation of f of g of x? F is a big function. In that big function there is one more function g. Now if I differentiate this one, what I will get? I have to differentiate. What is the formula is? F dash g of x plus g dash x. Wait, not plus, into. This is answer. That means I will give an example. See, I am doing the differentiation for the whole and then I am doing the differentiation for the inside one. Now we will see. Sin 2x. Sin itself is a big function. Inside that big function there is 2x. Even 2x is also one more function. Therefore, what is that? I can do. First of all, I have to do the differentiation for whole. What is the differentiation of sin x? Cos 2x into what is inside one? G dash x. That means inside one. What is the differentiation of 2x? Differentiation of 2x is 2. If answer is 2 cos 2x. We will see one more one. Sin of ln x. What is the value of sin of ln x? Sin itself is a big function. Inside that big function there is one more function, that is ln x. Therefore, what is the value? First of all, you have to do the differentiation for a whole function. That is, what is the differentiation of sin? Cos ln x into, what is the differentiation of ln x? 1 by x. Therefore, answer is cos ln x by x. We will see one more example. Ln 3x square. What is the answer for this? Ln itself is a big function. Inside the big function there is one more function, that is 3x square. Now first of all I have to do the differentiation for this. That is, what is the ln? What is the differentiation from ln? The differentiation of ln is 1 by 3x square into, what is the differentiation of 3x square? Differentiation of 3x square is, what is the differentiation of x square? 2x. Therefore 2x, that is nothing but 6x by 3x square. What is the answer? 2 by x. Now we will see one more. Ln of sin of x square. Now what is the answer for this? There are three functions. Ln itself is a big function. Inside that ln there is sin x square is one more function. Inside that sin there is x square, there is one more function. That means three functions are there. Now what to do? First of all, I should do the differentiation for bigger function, that is ln x sin x square. What is that? 1 by What is the differentiation of ln x? 1 by x. Therefore, 1 by sin x square into. Now, what is the differentiation of sin x square? The differentiation of sin is cos. Therefore, into cos x square into. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. Therefore, cos x square by sin x square into 2x. What is that? Cos by sin is how much? Cot. Cot x square into 2x. Let's see one more example. Ln of ln x. Ln itself is a big function. Inside that ln, one more function ln is there. Therefore, what is the answer? For ln, what is the differentiation? 1 by ln x into. What is the differentiation of ln x? 1 by x. So answer is 1 by x ln x. I think all the formulas are clear in differentiation. Okay. First we will revise them. What is that? Differentiation of x power n is n x power n minus 1. Differentiation of uv is u v dash plus v u dash. Differentiation of u by v is how much? V u dash minus u v dash by v square. Differentiation of how much? Ln x. Differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. Differentiation of f of g of x. How much? F dash g of x. First I will do differentiation for the bigger one and then into inside one, that is g dash x. Next, differentiation of a power x is a power x ln a. Differentiation of e power x is e power x ln e. Ln e is nothing but 1, therefore e power x. The next one, differentiation of sin x, cos x, differentiation of cos x minus sin x, differentiation of tan x, secant square x, differentiation of cot x minus cosecant square x. Now next one, differentiation of secant x, secant x into tan x, differentiation of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x. These are the basic differentiation formulas we need in the problems. Anything else is left? This is enough. In this video we completed logarithms and differentiation. In next video we will see about integration and maxima and minima. Thank you.